Get ready, because this is ChatGPT Insights, and we're diving headfirst into the explosive world of AI and crypto. We've got Gemini's massive Nasdaq debut with GEMI stock, oversubscribed 20 times and valued at a staggering $3.3 billion. The crypto recovery and a rebound in U.S. equities are fueling this incredible investor demand, and we've got all the details on what this means for the market. Then we're talking to the visionaries themselves, the Winklevoss twins. They're not just celebrating Gemini's IPO, they're dropping a bombshell prediction. Bitcoin hitting $1 million in the next 10 years. Is this the bottom of the first inning for crypto's digital gold? We'll break down their bold forecast. And what's a major IPO without ceremony? We'll take you to the heart of Times Square as Gemini officially rings the Nasdaq opening bell. Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss themselves are there to mark this monumental moment for the crypto platform. You won't want to miss this visual. Finally, shifting gears to the AI arena, Google Gemini is facing a formidable challenger. Alibaba AI has just unleashed Qwen3-Next, a model boasting 10 times the performance at a fraction of the cost, and it's outperforming Google's own Gemini in reasoning benchmarks. This is a serious escalation in the AI race. Stick around for all these incredible updates and make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on. Gemini's Nasdaq debut, a $3.3 billion valuation fueled by crypto frenzy. Get ready for the IPO event of the year. Gemini is set to make its grand entrance on the Nasdaq with its GEMI stock, and the excitement is palpable. This isn't just any debut. It's been oversubscribed a staggering 20 times, pushing the company's valuation to an incredible $3.3 billion. This massive investor demand is being supercharged by a robust recovery in the cryptocurrency market and a strong rebound in U.S. equities, signaling a major shift in investor confidence towards digital assets. Gemini's journey to the Nasdaq has been a whirlwind. The initial valuation was around $2.22 billion, but the overwhelming interest has propelled it to $3.3 billion. This oversubscription isn't just a number. It's a clear indicator that investors are eager to get in on the ground floor of promising crypto companies. The favorable regulatory environment is also playing a crucial role, making investors feel more secure about putting their money into crypto businesses. We're seeing a maturing market where investors are increasingly comfortable with crypto investments, driven by positive regulatory shifts and a surge in institutional interest. Adding even more weight to Gemini's launch, they've secured a significant $50 million investment from Nasdaq itself. This strategic partnership isn't just about funding, it's about integrating Gemini's core services, like custody and staking, with Nasdaq's cutting-edge Calypso platform. This institutional backing from Nasdaq is a huge vote of confidence, positioning Gemini for a triumphant entry onto the public market. As the IPO date approached, Gemini continued to build momentum. The share price was raised to $28 on September 12th, exceeding the initial range of $24 to $26. This upward adjustment reflects the sheer demand and confidence investors have in Gemini's future. Furthermore, Gemini significantly expanded the retail allocation of shares from 10% to 30%, allowing platforms like Robinhood and Webull to offer more shares to everyday investors. This move democratizes access to the IPO and solidifies Gemini's market presence. The backdrop for Gemini's IPO couldn't be more positive. The crypto market is experiencing a powerful resurgence, with Bitcoin and Ethereum prices soaring. Bitcoin has recently touched $116,000, and Ethereum has climbed above $4,550. This rally is further bolstered by substantial inflows into crypto ETFs and renewed enthusiasm for altcoins like XRP and Solana. The approval of new ETFs for these assets has injected significant optimism, and the broader recovery in U.S. equity markets is creating an overall environment ripe for growth. Gemini is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this renewed investor appetite for digital assets. Don't go anywhere, because the Winklevoss twins are about to drop a bombshell prediction that could change everything. Next up, we're diving deep into Bitcoin's future with a $1 million price target. You won't believe what they said. Winklevoss twins predict Bitcoin to $1 million, bottom of the first inning. The Winklevoss twins, fresh off Gemini's highly anticipated IPO, are making waves with a bold forecast for Bitcoin's future. They believe the cryptocurrency is poised to reach an astonishing $1 million per coin within the next decade. Tyler Winklevoss described the current state of Bitcoin as still very much the bottom of the first inning, drawing a parallel between Bitcoin and digital gold as a disruptive force. This ambitious prediction comes as Bitcoin has already experienced a monumental surge since Gemini's inception in 2015, when the price hovered around $380. Today, trading above $115,100, Bitcoin has delivered over a 30,000% increase. Yet, the twins maintain that the growth potential is far from exhausted. "We think there's easily a 10x from here," Tyler stated, emphasizing that the market is still in its nascent stages and many potential investors have yet to enter. They hope that by sharing their insights now, more people will recognize the opportunity. The twins' appearance and forecast coincide with Gemini's successful IPO pricing. The company's shares were priced at $28, surpassing the expected range of $24 to $26 and valuing Gemini at $3.3 billion. This milestone marks a significant achievement for the cryptocurrency exchange, reflecting its growth and the increasing mainstream acceptance of digital assets. "We've come a long way," Tyler Winklevoss remarked, looking back at the journey from Gemini's founding to its public market debut. The sentiment among investors and industry leaders is increasingly optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term trajectory. Factors such as growing institutional adoption, the development of more robust regulatory frameworks, and the increasing utility of cryptocurrencies in various applications are contributing to this positive outlook. The Winklevoss twins' prediction, while audacious, taps into this broader sentiment of a digital revolution in finance. But that's not all the Gemini news. We're taking you live to the iconic Nasdaq MarketSite. Get ready to see history being made as Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss ring the opening bell. Gemini rings the Nasdaq opening bell in historic debut. In a momentous occasion for the cryptocurrency world, Gemini, the global crypto platform, officially visited the Nasdaq MarketSite in Times Square to ring the opening bell. This symbolic act, taking place on September 12, 2025 from 9:15 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. ET, marked Gemini's significant milestone as it embarks on its journey as a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq under the ticker GEMI. The honor of ringing the bell was bestowed upon Gemini's co-founders, brothers Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. Their presence at the iconic Nasdaq MarketSite in the heart of New York City underscored the growing integration of digital assets into traditional finance. This event highlights the increasing acceptance and mainstream validation of cryptocurrency businesses. This visit to Nasdaq MarketSite is more than just a ceremonial event. It represents the culmination of years of hard work and innovation by the Gemini team. It signifies a new chapter for the company, offering enhanced transparency and accountability as a publicly traded entity. The ringing of the bell is a powerful signal to investors and the broader market about Gemini's stability and future growth prospects. The event in Times Square drew significant attention, symbolizing the intersection of cutting-edge technology and established financial markets. Gemini's Nasdaq debut, celebrated with the ringing of the opening bell, is a testament to the evolving landscape of finance and the increasing role that digital currencies are playing within it. It serves as an inspiration for other companies in the burgeoning crypto space. Now, let's shift our focus to the intense competition heating up the AI landscape. Get ready for a showdown as Alibaba AI's new model challenges Google Gemini with mind-blowing speed. Alibaba AI's Qwen3-Next challenges Google Gemini with superior speed and efficiency. The artificial intelligence race is intensifying as Alibaba Group has unveiled its latest AI model, Qwen3-Next. This new architecture is engineered to deliver an astounding 10 times more performance than its predecessor, all while operating at just a tenth of the cost. Developed by Alibaba Cloud, the Qwen3-Next 80BA3B model, boasting 80 billion parameters, is significantly cheaper to train and runs dramatically faster than the Qwen3-32B model launched earlier this year. Alibaba Cloud highlighted that Qwen3-Next achieves performance parity with their flagship Qwen3-235BA22B model. Crucially, it's optimized for deployment on consumer-grade hardware, making advanced AI more accessible. Even more remarkably, a specialized reasoning-focused version, Qwen3-Next 80BA3B Thinking, has outperformed both its predecessor and Alphabet's Google Gemini 2.5 Flash Thinking in third-party benchmarks, signaling a major leap forward in AI reasoning capabilities. This release underscores the fierce competition brewing within China's AI sector. Companies like DeepSeek are developing autonomous multi-step AI agents, while Meituan is pushing the boundaries of open-source research with its massive Longcat Flash Chat model. These diverse strategies highlight China's accelerated efforts to compete with global AI leaders like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google, aiming to shape the future of AI innovation. Alibaba's AI initiatives are clearly gaining traction, reflected in its stock performance. Baba shares have surged over 83% year-to-date, significantly outpacing the broader market. By cultivating the world's largest open-source AI developer ecosystem, Alibaba is rapidly closing the gap with its U.S. rivals. This impressive growth, driven by its AI advancements, positions Alibaba as a formidable player in the global AI landscape. What does this mean for Google Gemini and the future of AI development? Stay tuned as we break down the implications of this AI arms race. And that's a wrap on today's lightning-fast updates. We saw Gemini's incredible Nasdaq debut with GEMI stock soaring and an IPO oversubscribed 20 times. The Winklevoss twins boldly predicted Bitcoin hitting $1 million in 10 years, calling it digital gold. Gemini also celebrated with Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss ringing the Nasdaq opening bell in Times Square. And in the AI arena, Alibaba's Qwen3-Next is challenging Google Gemini with mind-blowing speed and efficiency. Don't miss out on any of these groundbreaking stories. Hit that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, drop a comment telling us your thoughts on these massive moves, and follow us on all socials to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.